In this class, we are going to discuss about question number first, third one and fourth one, exercise 5.1, arithmetic progressions. What about this question? In which of the following situations, two questions we are having, in these situations, does the list of numbers does the list of numbers involved make an arithmetic progressions and why? Observe simple questions, two situations we are having. First we will make what? List of numbers, sequence. Then we will check given sequence is an AP or not. So observe carefully, simple question. The cost of digging a well. What? The cost of digging a well after every meter of digging, when it cost rupees 150 per first meter. For digging a well for 1 meter, cost is 150. Simple. For 1 meter digging, for first meter digging, cost is what? 150 rupees. So you can write what about the solution? Solution of third one. What? For the first meter digging, cost is what? 150. And rises by rupees 50 for subsequent meter. For next 1 meter, it means for digging of 2 meter, what will be the cost? 150 plus 50, add both, 200 rupees. Now next 1 meter, once we dig, then cost will be what? 150. 150 is the initial. For the 2 meter, cost will be this one. For the 3 meter, we will add 50 in which 200 plus 50, what we are getting? 250. And for the 4 meter, what we are getting? 250 plus 50, 300 rupees, and so on. Observe carefully what we are doing in this question, simple question. For digging a well, cost of 1 meter is 150. After 1 meter, we are increasing 50 rupees cost for digging a well. So for the second meter, cost will be 150 plus 50. For the third meter, for next meter, it means 3 meter, cost will be, we will add 15, this one 200 plus 50, 250. And for the 4 meter, cost will be 250 plus 50, 300 we are getting. So what will be the sequence we are getting? 150, 200, 250 and 300 and so on. This is a list of numbers. Now these numbers is in a AP or not, we will check. How? We will find the common difference. Once we are getting the same common difference, then we can say given sequence is in a AP. 200 second term minus first term, 200 minus 150, we are getting 50. For this one, 250 third term minus second term, 250 minus 200, what we are getting? 50. Now for this one, fourth term minus third term, 300 minus 250, what we are getting? 50. So common difference is same. Common difference D is same, so it is an AP. So given sequence is an AP. Simple question, we can easily to understand. We are having cost of digging of 1 meter well is what? 150. Clear? And rises by rupees 50 for subsequent meter. For the next 1 meter digging cost will be increased by 50 rupees of initial. Initially we are having 150 for the 1 meter, so we will add 50 in which then we are getting 200 rupees for the 2 meters, and next 1 meter, or we can say for the 3 meter cost will be, we will add 50 in which, so 200 plus 50, 250, and so on we are getting. Then we are getting a sequence, and this sequence is in a AP or not, we will find common difference. Or how we will find the common difference? Second term minus first term, third term minus second term, fourth term minus third term, we are getting the same number, and this same number is called common difference. And once we are getting the same common difference, then we can say given sequence will be in a AP. Clear? Now next question. Question number 4, observe carefully how we will solve this one. What about this question? Read. The amount of money in the account. Observe. Amount of money in the account every year when rupees 10,000 is deposited at compound interest at 8% per annum. Simple question, not hard. Question number 4th one I am taking. The amount of money in the account every year when rupees 10,000, this amount we are depositing. Initially we are depositing 10,000. So initial amount is what? 10,000 rupees we are depositing. We want what? List of numbers. Sequence we want to find. So 10,000 initially we are depositing. This will be in the account for the 1 year. Clear? Now what about the after 1 year, what will be the amount? Initially we are depositing 10,000. After 1 year, what will be the amount? It means second term we want. So how we will find? When rupees 10,000 is deposited at compound interest. How we are depositing? We are depositing at compound interest. So we should know the formula of the compound interest. For the compound interest, amount will be principal times of 1 plus rate upon 100 power t. What? Amount for the CI, compound interest, will be what? Principal times of 1 plus rate upon 100 power time. So this formula we will apply for the next year. So initially we are having 10,000. This is the principal amount. Then after 1 year, what will be the amount? So how we will write? 10,000 into 1 plus rate is what? 8% divided of 100, and time period for the 1 year. Clear? Now after this one, next initial amount is 10,000 for the 1 year. Compound interest amount will be this one. And for the 2 year, how we will write? 10,000 into 1 plus 8 upon 100 power 2, and so on. Observe carefully. Simple question. This is not more difficult. Once we know the amount of compound interest formula, amount of compound interest formula is this one. This is what? Compound interest amount. Once we depositing any amount at compound interest, then amount will be what? Principal times of 1 plus r upon 100 power time. So this amount we are depositing at compound interest. So for the 1 year, compound interest amount will be this one, 10,000 into 1 plus r upon 100 power t time. And for the 2 year, this one, and so on we are getting. Solve this one. 10,000. The next one will be 10,000 into, take LCM and solve, power is 1, so directly we can write 100 plus 8, 108 divided of 100, and this one will be what? 10,000 into 108 upon 100 into 108 upon 100. Once we solve this one, we are getting 108 upon 100, and its power is 2, so we are writing 2 times. Clear? Solve this one. 10,000, 20 will be cancelled. What is the remaining? 10,800. Next, both all zeros are cancelled. 100 will be cancelled to this one. What we are getting? 108. Multiply this one. 108 multiply. Then what we are getting? Observe. 108 multiplied of 108. 8 8 ja 64. So 0, so we are writing 64. 8 1 ja 8. Now next multiply by 0. Then next 801. Add 4 6 8 8. 8 plus 8 16 1 1. 11,600. What? 11,664 and so on. Clear? Now one sequence we obtained. This is in a AP or not? We will find the common difference. Clear? So then what is the common difference? 10,800 minus 10,000. What we are getting? 800. And what about this one? What about its common difference? 11,664 minus 10,800. What we are getting? 4 6 16 minus 8 864. Both are not same. Common difference D is not same, so it is not an AP. It is not an AP. Why? Because we are not getting same common difference. Once we obtain the same common difference, then only we can say given sequence is in a AP. So observe what we are doing in this question. The amount of money in account every year when rupees 10,000 is deposited at account at compound interest. So first we should know the formula of the compound interest. So compound interest amount formula will be principal times of 1 plus rate upon 100 power time. So we will use this one. We are depositing 10,000 initially for the 1 year. Amount will be this one. We are putting values in this formula. We are getting this one. For the second year, we are getting this one, and so on. Once we solve, we are getting one sequence. Now we want to check given sequence is in AP or not. Given list of numbers are in AP or not. How we will check? We will find the common difference. Second term minus first term. Third term minus second term. We are getting unequal numbers, unequal common difference. So common difference is not same. So we can say given sequence is not an AP. I hope you understand this question. That's all about this question. Thank you so much.